Hey guys, it's Star Vlogs here, and today we're going to be lighting some fireworks and trying them in the snow. I'm not going to be doing any like explosive ones because I don't know, I feel like that wouldn't be good.
As you can actually see, it's burning a hole right through there.
So yeah, so it's going through, but it's I don't know. I thought it would be like a color, but that's okay.
And now we got a colored one here too.
This is the colored sparkler.
Sorry guys, wind problems.
Here, let me go back here.
It's actually pretty nice out today though.
I don't know, but then we're gonna light.
Well, you got it lit. Oh, it smells really bad though. Oh.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. That's a good one.
It's not really green as I thought it would be.
Yeah, but it burns. Jeez.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Look at that. That's all the way down. That's so cool.
He's just leaving it in there.
Whoa!
Oh.
Here, leave it. Here, let's see how deep that thing actually
You just like
was.
throw it in the snow right here. Just like
Just
drop
leave
it.
Oh, that looks cool. Look at the surrounding. It looks like it's glowing. Here, let's cover it up. That looks cool. That looks cool. Look at that.
Yeah,
It's
it
like
looks really
glowing.
nice.
I wonder if that's gonna like explode with like smoke.
Yeah. It backs up. Got an exit hole for the smoke right here, actually. Try and cover that up. That's really cool looking, though. See how it glows.
Okay, let's.
Right, there goes that one. Oh! You could hear that one fizz as he pulled it out.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we
Right.
got this one.
So you got like this little Japanese spinner one right here.
So this one should just fire straight up. And then Tyler said it doesn't explode, so that's always good.
Oh, in a tree.
And then that one we're gonna put in the snow.
Yeah,
Just like set it sideways.
you put it like that.
I got it.
Right.
Okay. Well, we stand back.
Yeah. We don't know which way this is going, just so you know, guys. Oh, oh. Oh. Alwar Akbar.
That's why I wanted to do it sideways.
Yeah.
You wanna go grab another one real quick?
Yeah, guys. Here, I'll let you film out here. I'll go grab one. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so well, those didn't really go as I planned. I thought the green one was for sure gonna like do something, but I guess not. And then well, the what do you call it? That one didn't go as I planned. I thought that was gonna shoot straight up, or if it was gonna go down, it was gonna actually go in the snow, but that's okay. And then this green one was really cool because it like glowed and stuff. That's pretty cool. And then Tyler is getting the other one right now. I think he's done. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got. So right now I have 2 of these and one of. I had an idea of why I brought up the Japanese one.